Beans is a popular food among Africans, especially Nigeria. Beans is the fourth most consumed food behind cassava, yam, and rice. Beans is a legume which is widely grown by farmers in various varieties, and it has about 32 species. Beans are highly recommended for food because of its numerous health benefits. Beans are grown mostly for their edible beans, although leaves, green seed can also be used for livestock feed. Like other legumes, beans are cooked to make them edible by boiling. Beans can also be prepared in stew, soup, etc. They can also be processed into paste and flour. Beans seed provide a rich source of protein and calories, as well as mineral and vitamin. A seed can contain 25% protein and also has a very low fat content. Some culinary use of beans. Number one, beans porridge. Beans porridge is cooked by cooking the beans and ingredients are added. Varieties of this can be achieved by the addition of yam, plantain, sweet potato, or corn. Number two, rice and beans. Rice and beans, as the name implies, two staple food are used in the cooking of this recipe, that is, rice and beans. Moi moi. The beans coat is removed by a special technique and the beans blended and cooked with ingredients. Ekuru. Ekuru or white moi moi. This is another version of moi moi which is cooked without ingredients and usually eaten with stew, akara, or beans cake or balls. Here, the beans coat is removed, the seed blended and deep fried to make balls known as akara, ewagon. This is also known as beans and stew. It is a good way to enjoy beans even if you are not a fan of them. It tastes good with soft and stretchy bread.